All right, so we left off with Kinross, Gold, KGC. A couple other tickers that I do want to mention is Gannett, the publishing company that decided to come out and blow away earnings and resistance levels. 387 was the resistance on this, and we took it out to the point of no return. This resistance was blown through. The volume, look at the volume on this. This volume is ridiculous off of earnings here. Just nuts. 23.5 million shares in one day. Target right now for this one is easily 5. Could go to 550. Above that, we're extending it a little bit there, but we got a lot of overhead here. And if it carries momentum through a big bull run that we get, hey, you never know. It could go. It could go the whole way. And that would be nice to see. One of my prize calls here over the past couple of days, I got my brother Long in Caterpillar Inc., ticker symbol CAT, CAT. We had a textbook inverse head and shoulders here. Bottom being at 2143, the left shoulder being at 3087, and the right shoulder being at somewhere around 30 bucks. It hit 3087 last week. I said get long in this thing. Get long. Industrial production came out today and did better than expected. I wrote a post about that last night. Actually, it was this morning, somewhere around 5, 6 in the morning. Didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm kind of deprived of that. But again, I called for a bottom in manufacturing and the industrial sector. I guess mid-April, and it's starting to prove. It really is, and I like this. It's contracting still, but it's contracting less and less every time the ISM and the industrial production numbers come out, which is always good to see. I really like seeing that. So this is a sector that I have a lot of faith in. Favorite industry in that sector is easily farm and machinery equipment. CAT is the end-all, be-all company with farm machinery equipment. Hopefully, this can hold up here. If not, we're going to have to reevaluate the trade. But it looks like we have a hold here. We could do the same thing that we did here and retest that line. But right now, we're looking really hot. We're looking real hot. So 3087 was the spot to get into that. Anything past 35 and you're chasing this bad boy, except if it pulls down. Right now, you still might be safe. Tomorrow, I expect an overall market pullback, so keep your eyes open and let's see what happens. Here's another one. Newmont Mining Corporation deals with gold. Again, here is the potential to have a head and shoulders with the neckline at 37.46. It could also be just choppy trading. It could go both ways. But right now, we had a solid hold at the 37.46 support, and we're pushing up, and we're pushing real high and really hot. This line, which used to be a support but became a resistance after it broke down below that, was broken out of today, and it was broken out of cleanly. No strings attached. Nothing even down below. It didn't even go below 39.81 today. In fact, the low for Newmont today was 39.98. So overhead, or not overhead, but right now resistance target is at 43.36, and I am going to be keeping my eye on this. Let's look through a couple other tickers here. SanDisk, my best buddy. See if I can explain this in 48 seconds before I have to go to the next video. SanDisk screwed me over, or I shot myself in the foot. Bought it actually down at this oval. 1384 was when I caught it. Told a lot of people, hey, this is going to be a hot stock. It started dropping. People got nervous. I said, watch for the 1320. Well, it held 1320, but I stepped out for the day and had to stop at 1305. The low for this day right here, right there, was 1302. I got stopped out, didn't get back into it. It broke out, and I missed my opportunity. More tickers coming soon, but we're going to video number 3.